The number of energy cells installed in the human body depending on the person's cosmic status. Energy sealing is a cosmic engineering technique that the Creator uses to create the human body. Energy sealing is a cosmic engineering technology of the heaven that makes heavenly people into earthly people when the Creator creates human beings. Energy sealing is a cosmic engineering technology that can turn a saint into an ordinary person when the heaven creates a human being. Energy sealing is a cosmic engineering technique that can turn a hero into an ordinary person when the heaven creates a human being. Energy sealing is a cosmic engineering technology of the heaven that allows light workers to disguise themselves as ordinary people until the right time comes. Energy sealing is a cosmic engineering technology of the heaven that can make the spirit souls with high cosmic ranks into ordinary people when the right time comes. Energy sealing is a cosmic engineering technology that causes incurable diseases in the human body. Energy sealing is a cosmic engineering technology of the heaven that creates intractable diseases in the human body. Energy sealing is a cosmic engineering technology that develops various diseases. Energy sealing is a cosmic engineering technology that causes various physical disabilities. Energy sealing is a skill of the heaven that turns a genius into a fool. Energy sealing is an art of the heaven that makes idiots foolish. The more energy seals a person has, the higher his cosmic rank. The more energy seals you have, the more likely you are to be a light worker. The more energy seals you have, the more karma you have. The fewer energy seals you have, the smarter you are. The fewer energy seals you have, the healthier you are. The fewer energy seals you have, the lower your cosmic status. Energy sealing is the way of creation that makes you what you are now. Energy sealing is the way of creation to make the personality of a human being. The energy seal refers to the energy field that the heaven has installed in the interdimensional space of the human body. Energy seals refer to the energy fields installed in the three invisible layers of the human body. In other words, energy seals are installed on the intangible devices of the intangible deep layer, the intangible middle layer, or intangible superficial layer. Energy seals are installed and managed by the angels of the heaven. These energy fields cannot be detected through the science and technology developed by humanity, and they are only visible to those with activated spiritual eyes. Energy seals cannot be removed by human will, and they are only installed and managed by the heaven. In other words, energy seals are installed and managed by the heaven at the request of the original spirit of a person and through the approval of the heaven. Currently, the energy seals installed in the light workers are being removed by the heaven to make them ready to carry out their roles and missions. Now is the time when the energy seals of the heavenly people who hold the promise of the heaven are being dismantled by the heaven. The average number of energy seals, according to the cosmic status of a person, is as follows. For 19th dimensional utopians, the number of energy seals is 750. For 18th dimensional angels, the number is 500. For 17th dimensional angels, the number is 200. For 16th dimensional angels, the number is 170. For 15th dimensional angels, the number is 130. For 14th dimensional angels, the number is 120. For 13th dimensional angels, the number is 90. As there is a need to unravel the truth about energy seals installed in the human body, I, Captain Udeka, leave this message as a record. March 30th in 2022, Udeka wrote,